What's up, Acura Legend owners and enthusiasts? My name is Lou, and as always, welcome to my garage. Today behind me, you can see my purple 95 LS Type 2 6-speed. As you know, it's been kind of a project that's being a restoration build and also combining it with my turbo build. I'm taking the drivetrain from here and throwing it in there and some other stuff that you'll see as time progresses. So, I want to apologize firstly. I know, I have to put up videos. I will eventually get there, but here's one in the meantime. So as you can see, my coupe is missing parts. I sold the door, I took the intake off, and some other bits. But this car's been sitting for probably close to 3 years with the exact same oil in it, and I just finally did an oil change. But it's been on stands, so it's not like it's going anywhere. So I'm going to do the first start, and hopefully nothing bad happens, because this is a fully prepped race setup Type 2. This got headers, cams, ported polish heads, ported polish intake, knife edge throttle body, nitrous, and a lot of other stuff that I'm sure most people have, but not everybody has it together. So let's see what happens when I turn this key. All right, this is the interior right now. As you can see, there is nothing really in here, just tons of room for activities. But I am going to attempt my best to hit the clutch pedal, reach over here with no steering wheel. Car's neutral, gotta make sure. Fuel pump primed. Well, that actually doesn't sound horrible. Other than the fact that, you know, there's no intake on it and a whole bunch of other stuff. But doesn't sound bad. That's a full custom gritty exhaust that was available long time ago with OBX headers. I know the hydro tappets are really annoying right now, but idle's nice and easy. After a while, the tappets will finally be quiet, but not bad. Not bad at all, kid. I hope you've enjoyed a race setup, even though it's really annoying. Like I said, been sitting for 3 years, hasn't really been started, but fresh fluids definitely help it. So we're on the second start. It's got a little bit of a low idle. I can adjust that. But the cams, they sound so good. Like, I can't even hate. I just wish those taps would just shut the hell up already. So, come on. Oops, don't want to stall it. But at least I know it still works. See, it's gotten significantly quieter since it's been running. She runs healthy. Very healthy. If I could just get the idle to hang there instead of the other spot, that'd be great. Clean out some of that shit that's in here. That's a good girl. Look at the fucking condensation shooting all the way out to there. Alright guys, I've started the car up a few times, got the fluids flowing through the car. It's reached optimal temperature now because I do have a Mishimoto lower temp thermostat installed, so it's like, you know, a little cooler if you will. But the car runs, as you can hear it, it is way quieter. Way quieter than it was when I first started it. Idle's nice and low, even with the cams. See there, no lights on the dash. I can't even tell what RPM, maybe 750 RPM. And yeah, condensation on the ground, but she's happy.